So we don't really have to do much here. I mean, we can set up a division problem. If you're ever confused by this, you can set up a division problem and divide by 100 and go through that whole process. But there's a shortcut, okay? When we divide something by a power of 10, we just look again at the number of zeros we're dividing by. And the number of zeros, since it's 100, tells us how many places we move the decimal to the left. So if it was 33.5 divided by 10, since there's 1 0, it becomes, boom, the decimal moves 1 spot to the left, which becomes 3.35. But here we're dividing by 100. So we move the decimal 2 spots, 1, 2, and our answer is 0.335. 0.335. We've got 3.84 again divided by 10. How many zeros are there? Just 1, which means we move the decimal spot once to the left. Final answer is 0.384. Don't forget the 0 in front, 0.384. Last but not least, dividing it by 1,000. So how many spaces do we move it? Well, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So again, we're dividing by 1,000, so we move the decimal to the left 3 spots. So it goes 1, 2, 3. But what happens with this empty space? Well, we got to fill it in with a 0. So our final answer is 0.0819.